But if you can tell by the title, I'm going to be talking about ceiling fan can benefit during the winter after using it in the summertime. Okay, so with the ceiling fan, you may have installed it in the summer, which is what I also had done. So you may want to know, what can you do with this thing when it is the winter fall, when it's getting cold outside? Okay, so on the newer ceiling fans, there will be a small control switch. As you can see, the small control switch on the G7X is right there. Push it up and it's facing upwards. That means it will be in winter mode, which is basically pulling the air from down here, and as soon as pulling it up, and then it's spreading natural hot air all around the room. Now, with a summer mode, from what you may have most of the time. So for summer mode, when it's going this other way, as from like the camera, it's like probably the left, probably the right. I'll just caption it because I cannot see it. But yeah, when this is in summer mode, this would gather the air from the roof down towards is the ground. When it reaches down towards the ground, it would spread around the room and it would come up the sides. So from that door over there, it would come up and it will come all the way over back here. Asked like, how, if it's at 0 degrees, how am I even able to let my house or room be hot? So some of your houses will have is vents on either ends. So basically, if the knob is down, that's going clockwise, which means pushing the air downwards. And if your switch is pointing or upwards, that means it's going counterclockwise, pushing the air up into the ceiling and around the room. So yeah, this is just going to be a simple video that I usually do. Let me just reset this. This is going to be a simple video that I usually do. And yeah, if you haven't known yet, or classmates or anything like that, this is usually on the new ceiling fans or the old ones. But yep, just making a video about ceiling fans because I have no idea what to do on a boring